So we start off today's video with this gorgeous pixie haircut. Looks like the stylist is adding in an undercut for this one. And with the summer and spring season, we're seeing a lot of undercut hairstyles with the pixies. Oh, really nice. I really like the shape with this overall. It does have like swoop bangs. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature 5 amazing haircut transformations. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair this season, this video is for you. Here we have this really chic, very structured bob haircut. This one does feature more like the mini bob style that we're seeing. Well, this is absolutely gorgeous. It does have a bit of an asymmetrical shape, just a tad bit longer on one side versus the other. Very pretty. And then we move into a traditional pixie hairstyle. So this one features all black hair. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles or ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a long to short transformation. It looks like her hair is around waist length. And the stylist does cut this into a bob. Gorgeous shoulder length bob. I really like the swoop bangs that she did in the front. And a bit of a layered look with this. Very nice. She framed out the face beautifully with those bangs. And then we have another mini bob style. This one also features a blunt cut, much like the previous one we saw. So this particular bob is just around the jawline. Nice bottleneck style bangs in the front. Very cute. Definitely giving like summer vibes. Beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope that you enjoyed checking out all of the haircuts featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.